Welcome to SQreamDB Data and Analytics Acceleration Platform. In this video, we'll show you how to create a table, load data into it, and run queries using SQreamDB Studio. To create a new table, we'll use the create table command and specify a table name, column names, and a data type for each column. Now, let's create the customer table. Under the database tree, we can see all of our tables, including the customer table that we've just created. Next, we'll use the copy from command to load data into the customer table. Let's specify the table name, file format, and file location. When you load data into SQreamDB, here's how it works. The system saves the data in a columnar format, then utilizes the GPU to compress the data. Following that, metadata is stored for every chunk of 1 million rows. Now, the impressive part. We loaded 150 million rows from a 23 GB file into our table in just 22 seconds. This performance highlights that with only one GPU on a single Scream instance, you can load over 3.7 terabytes of data. And here's the key point. Adding more workers to the GPU not only enhances performance, but also increases the amount of data loaded per hour. Now let's run a complex multi-join query that includes our customer table. Even though we are joining 6 tables, only the relevant data is read due to the SQreamDB storage format. The overall query runtime of nearly 6 billion rows and 1.5 billion row tables is only 12 seconds.